Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom and Namo Buddhaya. Introducing, my name is Egusti Ayubadumati Devi Dasi to deliver a speech entitled Realizing Agile Governance for Worker and Laborers in Indonesia in the Implementation of the Job Creation Law for the Creation of Human Rights. The high population in Indonesia is directly related to the high number of the productive age in Indonesia. The number of people who are working in Indonesia is the 131 million people out of the total of 276 million people in Indonesia. It is estimated that in the year 2023, Indonesia will achieve a demographic bonus, while more than 89% of the population is the productive age. This is in according with the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, where the 8th goal of the SDGs is design, work, and economic growth. Therefore, the importance of the role of policymakers in utilizing human resources who are working in Indonesia development for the realizing of the SDGs. On October 5th, 2020, Law number 11 of the 2020 on the job creation was passed by the House of Representatives. This law is referred to as an omnibus law. The job creation law has many provisions related to the protect of workers or laborers. However, many parties have criticized this law for being detrimental to the right of workers or laborers and inadequate in protecting them. This has resulted in the low public trust in policymakers. People believe that all policymaking only benefit a few parties. This is a form of bad governance, and this is not in line with the SDGs goal is design, work, and economic growth. Some of the issues that are raised in protective of human rights owned by workers or laborers under the job creation law are employment, right, the information, wages, and employment contract. In order to protect the human right of workers or laborers, a strike supervision from the governance and cooperative between the government, business, and civil society are required. This is important to ensure the job creation law is properly implementation and the strengths the protect of worker rights and human rights in Indonesia. However, it is unfortunate that in the job creation law cannot provide sufficient protect for worker rights such as design, wages, right to information and employment. There are several articles that need attention in the job creation right law, namely related to outsourcing. In Article 64, long leave is not longer mandatory in Article 79, and Article 84, and minimum wages in Article 8, C, D, and F. There is a need for the mechanism that provides certainly justice and unusefulness, which is the purpose of the law, has the need for the agile and achieve governance. This is particular is known as agile governance. Agile governance is approved to governance management, the privacy, flexibility, transparency, and public participation in decision making. Therefore, the participant of agile governance is the right solution is solving bureaucratic problem in Indonesia. Bureaucrats are often stuck in rigid routines and the procedures that are difficult to change. Agile governance according flexibility and decision making in policy implementation, allowing the bureaucracy to respond the change quickly and proven. Bureaucracy often have a long complex decision making process, making it time consuming to respond the problem. On the other hand, policymakers often make decisions without involving public participate, so that the result policy pay less attention to the interest and need to community. With agile governance, public participation is considered as the important thing, so that it produce a policy that are more in line with the needs of the community. Bureaucracy often is transparent enough in the decision making process, and policy implementation making it difficult for the public to understand the monitoring, the decision taking. With agile governance, transparency with considered importance, so that people can better understand and monitoring decision on the policy made by governance. So, Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you so much.